This short video shows you how to do a page break or insert a page break. This is whenever you want to go specifically to start a new page and you're not at the end of a page, you should use this. The bad habit is just to hit enters. And a way to see where you hit enters is to turn on this button right here. This is in the home area. It's called the paragraph, show hide paragraph. And you click that and it shows this backward P, which is everywhere you've hit an enter. And by the way, you should only hit enter at the end of a paragraph, because as you type a line, it will automatically wrap the text to form the next line. Anyway, instead of hitting enter to get the next page, which is a very bad habit, at the end of the last line, when we want to go to a new page, you go to Insert. On the far left side, you'll see Page Break. You just click Page Break. It inserts a special code to say always jump to a new page after the end of that line. Then, since you're doing the Works Cited, you go back to Home, center the line, and type Works Cited. And that's how you would insert a page break. Also shows you not to hit enter to do that, or hit enter after every line.